This video I will explain is Paytm actually safe, or are we taking a risk every time we make a payment? Let me explain this in the simplest way. Many people use Paytm every day for sending money, paying bills or shopping. So the big question is Paytm safe? The short answer is yes. Paytm is generally safe, but only if you use it in the right way. So let us understand how it keeps your money safe and where people usually make mistakes. First, let us understand why Paytm is considered safe. It uses bank level security. Your data is protected using encryption. That simply means your information is locked and protected. And most importantly, it uses UPI based transactions. UPI PIN, which is the most important part. Let us talk about the most important thing, your UPI PIN. Think of it like your ATM PIN. If someone does not know your PIN, they cannot send money. Simple. Let's take a real time example. Rahul loses his phone. Now someone opens Paytm. Can they send money? No, because they don't know Rahul's UPI PIN. That is how your money stays safe. Next security feature is bank level security. Now here is something very important. Your money is not stored inside the Paytm. It stays safely in your bank account. Paytm is just a bridge between you and your bank. So every transaction follows bank security rules. Next security feature is OTP verification. Now you might have seen something called OTP. OTP means one-time password. Whenever you log in, add a bank account or do something important, you get a code on your phone. Without that code, no one can access your account. Next one is device and app security. Paytm also gives you extra protection. You can use phone lock, fingerprint or face lock. So even if someone gets your phone, they cannot easily open the app. Next one is payment approval. Every payment needs your action and your UPI PIN. No payment happens automatically. You are always in control. Now here is the most important part. Paytm itself is safe, but problems happen because of user mistakes. Let us understand that. Common mistake 1. Sharing OTP or PIN. Never share your UPI PIN or your OTP. Let us say someone calls you and says, I am from Paytm support. Tell me your OTP. Never do that. The moment you share it, you give them access to your account. Common mistake 2. Fake payment request. Another common mistake. You receive a request and think you are getting money, but actually you are sending money. If you enter your PIN, money goes from your account. So always check before approving. Common mistake 3. Fake links. Never click unknown links or fake payment messages. Always use the official Paytm app. Common mistake 4. Public Wi-Fi. Avoid making payments on unsafe public Wi-Fi. It can be risky. Now we will see the safety rules, which is very important. Just follow these simple rules. Never share your UPI PIN. Never share your OTP. Always check receiver details. Do not accept unknown request. Use phone lock. If you follow this, you are safe. Now we will see real life safe user. Let us take a simple example. Priya uses Paytm every day. She keeps her PIN secret, checks before paying, and uses a fingerprint lock. Because of this, she never faces any problem. So here is the simple truth. Paytm is safe because it uses UPI, OTP and bank level security. Your money stays in your bank and every payment needs your approval. Most problems happen because of user mistakes, not because of the app.